Welcome to Creative World. In this video, we will solve chapter 2 exercise problem number 2.8. Read the scenario. Determine the voltage across each silicon diode in given below figure, assuming the practical model of diode. In this figure, a silicon based diode is connected with 4 different configurations. We have to find voltage across silicon diode in each configuration. So we will start from this first configuration. In this configuration, a silicon based diode is connected through a resistance between two voltage sources. Negative of both voltage sources are grounded, while the positive of 8 volt source is connected to the cathode of the diode, and positive of 5 volt source is connected to the anode of the diode. So as we discussed in previous problem, this diode was in reverse biased mode, and we know that in reverse biased mode, diode acts as an open circuit. So for our better understanding, we can exclude this diode from this network. The circuit will become an open circuited network. In this case, positive 5 volt are appearing across this end of the diode, while positive 8 volt is appearing across this end of the diode, and we have to find voltage across this diode. In order to find the voltage across this diode, we will take the difference of these two voltages. So voltage difference across this diode will be equal to 5 volt minus 8 volt. It will become minus 3 volt. So minus 3 volt will be appearing across this diode. Now we will move to next configuration. In this configuration, a diode is connected to a voltage source through a resistance. Positive terminal of voltage source is connected to the anode of the diode, while negative terminal of voltage source is connected to the cathode of the diode. And the value of voltage source is 100 volt, which is much larger than the potential barrier of silicon diode. So we can say that this diode will be in conducting mode or in forward biased mode. And we also know that in case of silicon practical diode, if it is in forward biased, it will be having 0.7 volt across its terminals. So voltage across this diode in this configuration will be equal to 0.7 volt. Move to next configuration. In this configuration, a diode and resistance is connected across a voltage divider network. So in order to find voltage across this diode, first we have to find voltage across this 4.7 kilo ohm resistance. In order to do that, we will use voltage divider rule to find voltage across it. For that purpose, first we have to eliminate this diode and resistance for an instance from this network, so that our calculations made easy. So the circuit will become simple voltage divider network. Now we will apply voltage divider rule to find out voltage across this resistance. Voltage across this 4.7 kilo ohm resistance will be equal to 4.7 kilo ohm multiplied by supply voltage 30 volt divided by the sum of all series connected resistances 1 kilo ohm, 1.5 kilo ohm and 4.7 kilo ohm. Solve this equation, we will get 19.58 volt across this 4.7 kilo ohm resistance with this specified polarity. Positive terminal here and negative terminal here. Now we have 19.58 voltage across this diode and resistive network, and the polarity of voltage positive terminal is connected to the anode of the diode, while negative terminal is connected to the cathode of the diode. So this diode will be in forward biased mode, and in case of practical silicon diode, if a diode is conducting or in forward biased mode, it have 0.7 voltage potential difference across its terminals. So we can say that 0.7 volt will be appearing across this diode with this specified polarity. Move to the last configuration. In this configuration, this diode is in reverse biased mode due to the connection with this voltage source, because positive terminal of voltage source is connected to the cathode of the diode, while negative terminal of voltage source is connected to the anode of the diode. So this left half circuit is making this diode in reverse biased mode, but in right half circuit the positive terminal of voltage source is connected to the anode of the diode and negative terminal of voltage source is connected to the cathode of the diode. And the potential difference of this voltage source is 20 volt, which is much higher than the potential barrier of silicon based diode. So we can say that this diode will be in forward biased mode. And we know that in case of silicon diode in forward biased mode, this diode have 0.7 volt across its terminal. So voltage across this diode will be equal to 0.7 volt with the specified polarity. So this was all about exercise problem number 2.8. Thank you. See you again in next video.